Hello, my name is Jingam Doshi and this is my AWS Educate account, and North Virginia, US East is the region. This is my instances. I have created one instance, and then I have created AMI from that instance, and other three are made from this AMI. This is my snapshot of that image. This is the security group, and this is a security group is for 4 virtual machines, and this is my target groups, and targets are virtual machines. You can see that one is for retail virtual machines and second is for teaching virtual machines. This is the load balancer. The load balancer is used for balancing the load of virtual machines, and this is the dashboard of AWS. This is the key pair for virtual machine. This is the key pair name, and this is the fingerprint of that key pair. This is the example of virtual machine which is dedicated to teaching. You can see that both virtual machines responses simultaneously. This is the example of retail virtual machine. The same thing. Both virtual machines respond simultaneously. Thank you so much.